AI-generated art is an everyday reality thanks to the first breakthroughs like DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion in the late 2022s. These tools can produce dozens of high-quality resolutions in seconds, yet they often replicate patterns pulled from copyrighted data and visual glitches, distorted anatomies like hands, looking all weird and awkward, and inconsistencies unique to AI, unless the technology starts to improve over time, so those cues may become eradicated that reveal their nature as sophisticated search engines rather than true artists. The earliest form of AI art actually goes as far back as 2015 by Google's Deep Dream. The speed and the scale of this technology are often making AI slop at a fraction of the cost, replacing genuine human artists, making it difficult to find jobs in an already highly competitive job market that isn't doing so great, even raising some serious legal questions about copyright infringement. And I have no doubt that better AI tools will come around with little to no restrictions. Even students rely on AI to draft essays or generate visuals, and even offload critical thinking skills to a large language model. Even if you have no artistic skills whatsoever, can pick up on it and type in a prompt, and it's easy to see why traditional digital artists are upset about this. And you would think only the big tech companies can control what AI can and cannot do. You might be out of a job. However, it doesn't have to be this way. You don't have to trust big tech to be able to use this technology, as you can actually run your own AI entirely off the internet locally, where you can use programs like LM Studio or even GPT for All for generative text. And if you have more beefy hardware, comfy UI if you want to generate images or even videos, there exists alternatives to character AI like Hey Amica, for instance, as your waifu AI assistant. But one thing is for sure, AI may displace a lot of different industries in an otherwise horrible job market, but it doesn't mean you have to lose hope. Perhaps we need to think about this a little differently and be wary of what tech companies are saying. There are some things that AI can never truly replace, even if it becomes good at it over time. Seriously, it would definitely help a lot if you can spot the difference, as